Hello everyone, today I'm taking this video just want to show you a very simple idea to make the centerpiece with our candelabra accessory and the flower wine. Very simple and fast. Okay, let's go. Okay, look. I set up the candelabra stick like this. I'm using 160 cm top, 150 cm top, and 240 cm top. Okay, and then just put on the flower wine will be okay. About how to put on the flower wine is very simple. Take one end of the flower wine on the 60 cm stick. And tie it with a string. A string. Okay. You can use gold color of string to match the stick color, or use the brown color string to match with the wine. But since I don't have them on hand, so I use the white string. Okay. Okay, and then use since there are iron wine inside the flower wine, you can roll it like this. Just roll it and roll it and roll it. Roll the flower wine around the stick. Okay, after I roll the flower wine around the stick, and then it looks a little messy, but after we adjust the flower wine, adjust it and adjust the flower, the come out will be much more pretty. Okay, now let's adjust the flowers. Just very simple. Just adjust the direction. upward will be okay. Sometimes you can lower it around the stick. Okay. Put them up will be okay. If you want it to go together, you can use a stripe to tie them together or roll it. Very simple. Okay, look, let's check it. Almost completed. And then let's put on the candle cover. You can put the stick candle here and then use the candle cover. Okay, completed. Let's check the effect. This is the effect. So after you put on the candle and put it on the darker condition circumstance, the come out will be very pretty. And you can put some candle, LED candle, on the base, so the come out will be very pretty. Okay, look, this is the effect after we complete it. This is a very short video because it's really very simple to make this decoration. Let's check the detail. Okay, from the top to the bottom. Okay, after you put on the candle and put it on the darker environment, the effect will be very, very pretty. Okay, look, this is the effect after I light up the candle, the candelabra, with the LED light string instead of the candle. The effect by using the real candle or LED candle will be much more pretty, but I don't have them on hand, so I use the light string by instead. Okay, then I will turn off the light on my room to show you the effect. Okay, look, this is the effect. The come out will be really pretty, and since the effect shown on the screen took by the phone is not so pretty as it is in reality. Actually, it's very, very beautiful. Let's check it. So if you change the lights to the real candle, the come out will be much more pretty. Very beautiful. This idea is very simple, but the effects are so beautiful. Very suitable to use on the event. Okay, back to the bright condition. Okay, then I remove the light. Okay, so this is very short tutorial because it's really very simple, but the effects are very beautiful. So if you like my idea and like my channel, please do me a favor to do not skip the advertisement, the following advertisement as a supporting. Okay, thank you for your watching. Bye bye.